Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
So I was looking for a wooden bench for the entryway, but little did I know that this wooden bench by Jimenuco would be so versatile. I love using this in the dining table just in case I have extra guests. It has a lot of elasticity. I love that it has ventilation and it's made with wood and rattan. I really appreciate how lightweight it is, yet how much capacity it can hold. It can hold up to 440 pounds. This is perfect in my entryway whenever my guests have to put or take off their shoes. You can also store your shoes underneath. And as you can see, I also use it as a coffee table whenever we're watching a movie or a game. I really like the great quality of it. This is solid wood. It has a beautiful finish and it's super simple to assemble. It literally took my husband less than 15 minutes to have this bench ready. I really appreciate its color as well. They have different color. They have this just wood or a walnut color. So if you're looking for something that's very versatile for a bench that it's great quality, definitely go with this one by Jimenuco.
But that's just my point of view.